Hello everyone, this is Frank from Apple One-to-One. Today I want to go into the Notes application and create a shopping list. And we're going to show you how to put the circles next to the item so that you can check them off as you're doing your shopping. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Notes. We're going to tap on the lower right-hand corner to create a new note. And at the first line, which is going to be your heading, you're just going to type in shopping list. Then hit return. Now, do you see above the keyboard next to the A, the one to the right of that, you're going to have show a little circle. Tap on that. You notice it puts a circle there. And so you're just going to start putting in items. So we'll start with chicken breast. Hit return, it'll automatically put the circle there and then put in your next item. All right, so we're going to break away for a bit and I'm going to fill out the rest of this list and then we can continue on from there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on the shopping list. This is a title. And once you highlight it, if you don't see the highlight and the keyboard is there, you want to tap on the plus sign and then you'll get that row of icons. The first thing we want to do is you're going to tap on the A, and you'll notice now you have title, heading, subheading. You can select any one of those. So the first line of every note will always be a title. Then you can also select bold, italicized, underline, any of these features. The next one, if you tap on that orange dot there, you can select any color that you want and tap on, let's say, mint. All right, so now we have that. So that highlights that. Now in this, I'm going to go to the end, hit return, gives us a blank line. Now here, I want to add a subheading. So again, we're going to tap on the A and we're going to hit subheading. Now we're going to type in, title it meat, and we'll just say fish. If I could type, huh? Now notice that subheading now has a down arrow next to it. So if you hit that down arrow, you see it collapsed all of those items below that subheading. All of the items are not, see the end here, after tuna steak, then I go to romaine lettuce and so on. So let's put another subheading. We tap here, hit return, and we're going to come in to that line and we're going to hit, and we're going to do another subheading, and we'll change the color to pink, and then we're going to type in veggies. Now we have veggies. Now you see I have below here all of the vegetables. Now we're going to go down here to milk, come in here, and we're going to do another and do another subheading, and we're going to call that dairy. And if we want, we can come back in and we'll change this to mint again. You just highlight it and then hit the mint. Now you see down here below eggs, I have water, beer, soda. You just tap on here, hit your return, get a blank line, come up and do another subheading, and just title this beverage. Now you'll notice if you go and I hit that down arrow under beverage, collapses those lines. When you come to dairy, okay, when you're on that line, you see that down arrow, hit that. And now I have beverage and dairy as subheadings. Go to veggies, go to the right of veggies, see the down arrow. There you are. And then meat and fish. Hit your down arrow. Now, if I open meat and fish, maybe I want them separate. So if I go here to ground beef and put the cursor there, hit return, and then hit the plus sign, I will go into here, and now I'm going to do a subheading. And in the subheading, I'm going to do this as fish. Now, if I hit that cursor, you see the fish is separate. So now you have your title and all of your subheadings. So when you go to shop, depending upon how your store is laid out, you don't have to scroll through the entire list. You can just hit the one you want. You say, oh, I got my milk, I got my sour cream, heavy cream, whatever. Okay? And you'll notice when you check them off, it puts them at the bottom. It rotates them. You go back to your dairy, you can close it. And so that's some of the ways you can highlight things, collapse rows or lines based on the hierarchy of title. If you go here, you can see that the hierarchy is title, heading, and subheading. And then you go to your body, and each separate line is the body. You can also change, if you want to go to mono style, you tap on the body and hit mono style, and you'll see how it changes it. All right? Hope you guys find that useful, and let us know in the comments. Thank you very much, and see you soon.